Want to use your Apple Watch with just gestures without ever touching the screen? In this video, I'll show you how to enable assistive touch so you can navigate your watch with just one hand. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Start by going to the main menu on your Apple Watch and opening the Settings app. From there, scroll down until you find the option called Accessibility and tap on it. Inside the Accessibility menu, scroll down a little further until you see Assistive Touch. Tap on that to open its settings. Now, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and turn it on. This enables Assistive Touch, a feature that lets you control your Apple Watch using hand gestures only. That means you no longer need to touch the screen to operate your watch. Scroll down a bit more and you'll see two options: Try it out and OK. When you press OK, Assistive Touch will activate. From that moment on, you can use just the hand you're wearing the watch on to perform various actions. Simply move your fingers, and you'll be able to select items, scroll up or down, swipe, and much more, all without touching the screen. That's it. Your Apple Watch is now gesture ready. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.